Guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. Today video, I'm going to share about how to post your general listing to a Facebook group that you have already at, and what do you need to do provided that you are able to get a free advertisement via this kind of the social media platform. So first of all, I would like to show you all about the Canva flyers that I did, and also some of the preset template that actually I have already created. So then from there, we go to the Facebook group and we just put in all the necessary description and information. So now let me share with you. So if you actually want to know more, please stay till the end of this video, because you at least can learn something to make your marketing more efficient, and also to get more leads by not spending a lot of the marketing costs to generate your future leads. So what I'm going to do is I will show you some of the template that I preset. Okay, so then this is the sample that I'm going to walk you through. So first of all, I would like to get this template that I preset, which in the past I have already posted in my WhatsApp group. So now I would like to show you. So this is the Imperial Residency, and this is the template that I'm going to use to copy into my Facebook later. Besides that, I also go to the Canva. So when we come to the Canva, so this is the edited copy that I have for all my flyers creations. So this is some of the that I created in advance. So then after I download, then I will be using this for the my image. So beside that, also I also pre-download the photo of the property inside here. So this is some of the photo that you can see. So the units photo I download here, and this is the flyers. So now let me proceed to my main page. So just now you saw that the flyers and also the photo. So then I just follow the step to put in the property for rent, apartments, what will be the units number, the price, and also I copy all the informations from the my WhatsApp into here. So then after that, then this is some of the necessary information that we need to key in. Then we click next. So then after next, then you can see that actually this is a Klang Valley room for rental, or the house for rent, and this is the 15,000 members public group. And I also actually putting my information into the marketplace, and this is some of the pre-added group that I already joined in the past. So that I just go in to find the place that actually I want. I mean, like this KL and Selangor, so room to rent. So the related group that can help me to publish my advertisement. So from here, then I pick some of the property, like this one is Selangor property, maybe some is actually a Klang. All right, from here, then you can see a Klang. Then the Klang residents got 90,000 members here. So then I just pick it, and also I take it. Then after that, all this is a related group that which I think it probably will be able to find the customer that I need. So from here, then I'll just post my informations. After I post already, I go to find others, find Klang again. Listing came here. The listing is in review. So then after that, then I will come to the next group. Same thing, private group got 90,000. So I go in. Same thing, I will actually come to here, home for sales. And I'm going to do the same step, my flyers, then my others photo, then I choose for rent. If the property is for sale, then you choose for sales. So then the renting type is actually, this one is apartment and condo. Number of room, 4 rooms and 3 bath. Price per month, I put the lowest, 2002. Then the rental address, I just need to just check. Imperial Residency. Okay, I found this one. This is the Klang one. And after that, I put in the same informations. I copy from my WhatsApp and come here. So this one I will just pick up. And after I check, okay, everything got in, done. Then the per square feet is 1317. Then date available anytime because I have 5 units in hand now. Then none. The parking, yes, parking available. Aircon, yes, AC available. Then this one I put none. So next, same process I'll do is just now, this one is a Klang residence. So then I'll be okay going through which one is related to what I can post from here. Hot property in Malaysia, I think okay. Malaysia property solution. Property, okay, this one no, okay. Room for rent, in the relevance one. So this one is relevance. Buy, sell, rent as well. Don't care, just put. Then KL and Selangor. Klang property information. But before that, the first step that we need to do is to add in all the groups that we think is relevant to us. So basically, it's so simple. Then what actually we can do is to leverage on all the kind of different group that which will be allowing us to probably increase our exposure for our marketing. So then this is the, from here, then we can see whether our this advertisement have been approved or not. Now let us go to the result that we created. From here, then we can see that the admin already approved my listing. So then this is the listing, and you will see that the listing will appear in their room for rent in Klang Valley. So the step is actually quite simple. Then from here, then you can see that actually all the different admins on the right hand side. So once it's done, then it will appear. And this is what agents actually we can do every day by increasing our leads from a different free platform. Before we end the sessions, and if you like my YouTube channel, and if you like to hear me share about other topic about the real estate marketing or property investment, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will get a free video every week. And please help me to like and share to give me more motivations to produce more video in the future. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.